This morning we have Miss Diamond.
Yes. No, I identify.
I identify as Diamond. Dining somewhere on board.
Yeah, somewhere.
Table with my whistle.
Here it is right here.
Folio, right. Her pronoun is Diamond. Folio, mind your business.
Yes.
Muster station after a few shots.
It
Her
really
pronouns are weather Malibu,
Hey.
blow the whistle, and supermom. Come on.
It's lovely.
It is very bubbly. Look at her. The concentration is real.
It is, because I ain't trying to steal.
This is just Kaya TV reporting live from Allen Family Adventure. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Look at this one. She Diamond, and she identifies as Diamond.
See the earrings? See the earrings?
Life with V. If you don't go on a Life with V group cruise, you don't know what you're missing, okay?
You don't know what you're
You don't
missing.
know what you're missing.
'Cause you ain't
Thank
gonna see it
you.
here.
The takeover is done. Goodbye. We almost here, y'all.
There go that whale tail.
It's time. Let me tell y'all, we got ramp action, and they got an escalator. We here, y'all. It's time.
Please don't throw her right out.
You said don't thaw her out.
JT them gonna be at the bar. Right here.
Waiting and ready.
Not
No,
no,
not that Anejo.
Not Anejo? No.
We ready. Yeah, we ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We here, y'all.
And they already at the bar. Already.
They done changed it to their No Kids Crew shirts already.
Wow.
Shady. Them burgers. Where the shots at? Y'all know why I'm here. He done got shut off again because he ain't did his muster station yet. Hey, Edna, he got shut off again because he ain't did muster.
Not teach you anything. Oh, thank you, Mama. Kaya got us our funfetti cheesecake, y'all.
And y'all know what my first meal is. Guy's Burger. Now, we just made a discovery. It's not really the traditional funfetti cheesecake. The funfetti normally has cake and the cheesecake. This is just cheesecake. But Kaya said it's still good. But it's just cheesecake though. What you say about my cheesecake?
I will fling it across this Lido deck like a frisbee. Don't sit this. Don't sit this.
You got that nasty.
Don't sit this next to my orange cake.
The nasty.
It ain't even worthy of my cake to be on the same table.
Fuck ass burger. I got taco dip.
That's how you know you love.
First of all, this fool got me smuggling him taco dip and a whole bag of chips on the dip. Yay! Y'all ready?
What you say?
Royalty is into the building. The elite of the elites. The pinnacle of Carnival. The diamond card. Ooh, insert flashing.
Shut your ass up. Okay, this is cabin 2470 on the Carnival Glory. As soon as you come in to the right, you have one closet, shelving up there, full closet with a shelf down there for shoes. You come to the left, You have your life vest, another full hanging closet with a shelf for shoes at the bottom. And then this one has shelves all the way down with a mirror so you can check out yourself. And then we come into the room. This is an ocean view, and it is a rear, aft, corner ocean view. So you can see that there is a ton of space. King size bed over here that can be converted into 2 twins. And I love that this is the first ship that we've been on that has USB ports. So this must be new, but outlet and USB ports. I am super excited about that because usually we have to charge our devices over on the other side of the room. So both have the lamps and the charging device. And then when you come over here, Jeremy's trying to hide in the video. Y'all see him in the mirror? Say hi. You have your vanity mirror. You have your desk. You have your cooler, because it's not a refrigerator. You have your drawers if you want to put something in there. You have a safe. Very small TV. You have a couch. This room is made for 2, so I don't think that this particular couch lays down to a bed. But you have a chair and a table. And then we have 2 windows in this cabin for a very nice ocean view. You have one over here, and then you have one over here. So plenty of daylight in this cabin. Very roomy, very spacious for it to be a ocean view, but it's an ocean view aft corner cabin. Carnival Glory 2470. And then nothing new about the bathroom, but the bathroom for this one is on the left. And typical Carnival bathroom, sink, shower with the curtain, toilet. But there you have it. If you're looking for a spacious cabin that's affordable, book this cabin.
To the floor. You gotta work. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. I like the party. I like the party.
Ocean views. Ocean views. We had dinner. The ultimate Cobb salad. That was good to me. Now we're getting ready to start the slot pool. When your group takes over the entire casino bar. Veronica is hosting a paint and sip at sea. Everybody getting their paint on. Picasso's.